The question says in a recipe for tomato sauce, ratio of fluid ounces of water to fluid ounces of tomato paste is 3:4. You plan to make 35 ounces of tomato sauce. How many fluid ounces of tomato paste you need? So let X be the amount of tomato paste. Amount of tomato paste. Right? So the amount of tomato paste is X. So 35 minus X is the amount of water. 35 minus X is equals to amount of water. Now we will use the ratio. Using ratio water over tomato paste. Right? We will use the ratio. It will give us 35 minus X over X equals to 3/4. Now solve for X. We have 4 into 35 minus X. We will do cross multiplication, and here we have 3X. On further simplification, we have 140 minus 4X equals to 3X. 140 equals to 7X. So X is equal to 20, right? So the amount of tomato paste X is 20, and for amount of water is equal to 35 minus X. So 35 minus 20 equals to 15 ounces. 15 ounces of water and 20 ounces of tomato paste.